how to code at all. Well, let me show you everything here in order to use DeepSeek AI in order to make videos that can actually make you money. I'm going to show you step by step here how to use DeepSeek to make these videos here in 2025 that could actually generate some passive income. So I try to stay away from that. It's just I get a lot of people saying like, "Hey, I want to run these algos so I can make a bunch of money." And it's like, if you're starting from zero, that's not the way. I'm sorry, bro. It's not the way. That's not the way. You can't start from zero and run up a bag off algo trading. Okay, so you guys, I just follow what you want, dude. You guys always ask me, yo, Moon, how do I make a bunch of money? Okay, we'll use DeepSeek AI, like I'm gonna show you today, in order to make creative videos. Okay, let's get it. I'm gonna show you everything, I promise. I've been here for 1,300 hours making tutorials, so you know I'm just gonna show you stuff that I actually use. So you know I'm gonna be using DeepSeek AI in order to do this, dude. I promise. If you stick around for this short video, dude, you're gonna see exactly how to use DeepSeek in order to make videos that could potentially make you passive income. Okay, that's it. That's it. How can we do this, dude? Well, we have the API platform here. We have the whole GitHub. I made this Clips agent the other day. So the Clips agent will go ahead and essentially clip videos to make them into shorter videos that we can now update in order to implement DeepSeek. Because as you can see here, this is all of the code. It's on the GitHub. GitHub's at moondev.com here. Roadmap, Discord, and GitHub. You get the roadmap, go down here, Moondev AI agents, you get the GitHub, hit star, hit fork in order to copy it, and you're good to go. And you have all the code that I'm gonna be working on here today. Go to the source, go to the agents, go to the Clips agent here, and this is where I'm gonna be working. You can see this AI agent will enable you to make long videos into short videos, enabling this AI agent to help you earn money while you learn to code. You get paid by most streamers to make clips. Most streamers out there, your favorite streamer out there is going to pay you to make clips. I pay you to make clips, dude, because there's so much gold in these videos. I truly believe code is the great equalizer. And if I show you everything I ever build, I've shown you for the last 4 years how to build algos. That's been fun, dude. I'm dialed in. I hope you're dialed in too, dude. I want to expand a little bit. I want to show you guys some other things with code and AI agents. I believe code is a great equalizer. That's why I share every single line of code. This is the Clips channel in the Discord. The Clips channel, you get there by going here at moondev.com. You get the GitHub. Go to the Clips channel. That's where I'm reading from right now. I believe code is a great equalizer. That's why I share every single line of code I create every day. I do this through streaming my code of every single algo that I've ever built, and I'll continue to do it, dude. Everything I build, I will continue to show you. Now, I understand it's super hard to watch all the streams and videos, and I get a lot of people asking me to make shorter, more digestible videos. This is the same problem that every streamer has. The videos are too long, and you guys want short stuff. Unfortunately, I'm fully focused on algo trading, fully focused on AI, and just coding every single day, 4 hours a day, and achieving all of my wildest goals, dude. So I can't spend time searching for the good parts of my videos, editing and clipping them. This is where your DeepSeek AI agent, or just doing it manually, dude, this is your opportunity. So I've created 2 ways to help you spread coding knowledge while earning. So you literally can sit here and watch my videos, learn how to code, build bots, build whatever you want, AI, whatever, dude. It's all here. I'm going to keep showing you every single day. But while you're learning, if you see or if you hear something that's important, or if you feel like, oh, this is a good segment, well, now you have 2 options. I'm going to show you the AI agent, how to clip with AI agents today using DeepSeek, of course. That's option 2, but you can also do this manually if you just don't want to learn how to code right now, or you're just too far behind, or you want to just start slow. You can use CapCut. CapCut is TikTok's video editor. You find parts of my videos or other people's videos. I would encourage mine simply because if you're here, you're trying to learn how to code, or you're trying to step on the gas, or you're trying to build stuff. So you might as well just kind of get and one, right? Like, you're already here anyways. Might as well clip 5 minutes to 2 hour part clips. You create little thumbnails and titles, or use mine, and you just post it to YouTube, and you get paid for that, dude. You get paid, bro. So I'm going to show you the AI agent to do this automatically. If you can see here, if I go to the code, and this is all on GitHub, we have the clip agent here, and I can run it right now, clips agent. Go ahead and run it. And you can see that it's running through here. And when I run it, you can see it's going to clip up these videos. No video found, sleeping for 10 seconds. So I put all of my videos in this Dropbox here, so you can just go ahead and download them, dude. It's like you can start a YouTube channel without actually having to be on YouTube. That's pretty sick, because you can see 3 gigabytes, 12 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes. These are all my HD. These are my HD videos, dude. It took all day to upload these, but you have access to all of them. I literally just gave you my hard work for the last multiple months, dude, and I'll keep uploading more videos. 36 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes, 15 gigabytes. You got all the raw footage, bro. All you got to do is download one of these videos and then put it inside of the clips agent to clip it up. You can see it's going to clip it up into multiple pieces. Why would you do this though? Because you're getting paid, bro. You can do it manually by looking at this manual way. If you don't want to code, if you do want to code, you can use this AI agent that we're building today. It's already built, but I have some DeepSeek AI I want to implement into it. The earning structure is simple. You get paid per 1,000 views, $69 per 10,000 views. You post on YouTube, it's just like, you're doing this anyways, dude, so you might as well lock in and get paid. If you get 30,000 views, it ups to $89 per 10,000. If you get 50,000 views in a month, it ups to 100 per 10,000. If you get 100,000 views per month, then it ups to $139 per 10,000, dude. If you hit the 10,000, once you hit the 10,000, you'll get access to the clips chat, and I'll be there to talk to you and all that good stuff. The Dropbox is here for all of the videos. You also have full permission from me to download my YouTube videos, and that's actually something we're going to build into the agent today. We're going to go ahead and implement DeepSeek, of course. But on top of that, we're going to implement a way to download them on the code. So you can see some successful examples here. Definitely check out these guys, dude, because they're doing a better job than I am at my own YouTube. And that's the thing. That's the opportunity for you. Do you get it, bro? You're here. You're locked every day. You come watch me. But you know there's a huge fault here. The huge fault is I just yap all day long, and I don't put any care into my YouTube. I don't put any care, dude. I just code. I just build. And that's the opportunity for you, is you can go through and just cut these up to make 5-minute, 10-minute, 20-minute videos, an hour, 2-hour videos, just like these guys are doing. He threw up a video right here. It has 3,000 views on it, dude. He's getting paid. 1,000 views, 900 views, dude. Super duper easy. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You can see the examples. They're doing a great job.
Quote that said, rest at the end, not in the middle. And that's something I always live by. You know, I'm not going to rest. I'm going to keep on pushing now. There are a lot of answers that I don't have, even questions that I don't have. But I'm just going to keep going. I'm just going to keep going, and I'll figure these things out as we go, right? And you just continue to build that way. So I try to live by that all the time.
Rest at the end.
Rest at the end.
It's funny they said nope, my boot camp. I mean, I would say yeah. I would say the answer is yes to your question. But can tape reading method be applied to algo trading? Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. Absolutely, bro. It all can be applied, dude. Tape reading is a great approach to the market. I mean, if you have edge there. Anyways, let's keep it going, dude. Let's get this updated here to, first off, let's say you know where to get access to everything. You're good to go. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Please update this. Look at my focus agent to see how we pull in all of our AIs, and we'll use DeepSeek for now. But essentially, I want to add a process that will download the transcript first off. And once it downloads the transcript, it will send the transcript to the AI to give us a overview of what the video said. So the prompt will be, hey, look at this video transcript and give me a summary of the video. So there's really two things to be implemented. First, look at my focus agent to see how to use our AI. And then second, implement a transcript downloader for Python for YouTube. He says, do the lifetime and monthly subscriptions include the same resources? Yes. Lifetime opens up more of the resources faster. There's some secret hidden months there that it opens up. So, man, you're a legend. Thank you, bro. Is DeepSeek good for coding? Yes. I think Sonet's the best though. Wait. I need to click at focus. So I'm working on my Clips agent today. Yo, 777 Venmo, how you doing, bro? Turn your wounds into wisdom. Hell yeah, bro. I love that. Oprah? Damn, girl. I see you, Ope. I see you, Ope. I love that. Turn your words into or turn your wounds into wisdom, dude. Wounds into wisdom every day. Hmm. Actually, you know what? Let's think about this for a bit because since I'm putting in the video, oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. I'm pivoting this. Pivoting this a little bit. Let's think about it. Okay, I thought about it. DeepSeek. Okay. Accept. Okay, so here we go. Great, the YouTube transcription API here. Now I've updated the clips here. Added AI integration, YouTube transcript, added URL parsing, updated the main processing loop, place YouTube URLs in text files. Place YouTube URLs in text files in the input directory. So video text 1 here. Raw clips here. Video, where does it say that? Video 1.txt. Content rating. Where do I put the YouTube link? Put that as a constant at the top. So it will download the transcript from that YouTube link. Okay, let's say accept here. And then let's go, let's see how this works, dude. Let's go check out Moondev here. Let's go find a video here. So for example, copy link address. And then we're gonna go here. Paste it in. Let's add a constant saying YouTube videos And if it's set to true, then we'll do this set where it downloads the transcript and sends it to the AI. But if YouTube videos are false, then put a note here, but it will then default to our input video directory and just do this without AI, because this is only going to work with the DeepSeek AI or the AI in general if we use it for YouTube videos, because the flow would be taking the transcript from the YouTube video and then making the AI call. But what we had before was just pulling the videos from the input folder, and there will be no transcript for those videos. I'll add a flag to control whether we process YouTube videos with analysis or just process local videos directly. Process YouTube here. There we go. This is better now. Accept. Okay, so set to false. When false. When false, it will use the videos below in the input dir folder. Okay, dope. Okay, so now we got the YouTube video in there. Let's run it, dude, and see what happens. Processing YouTube video transcript download successfully. Got transcript. Analyzing contact. Analyzing transcript video here. Okay, so let's go ahead here and see what it says. Key timestamps, huh? No videos found sleeping. Okay, let's go ahead and read through this here. The video focuses on creating an AI-powered video clip agent that automates the process of turning long videos into shorter, digestible clips. The creator explains how users can use this agent to clip videos, upload them to YouTube, and earn money based on views. The video also covers manual...
Damn near anything we could think is real. And if it's not, we could create it. See, that's the gift we were given. To evolve, advance, create. I create my own world.
Okay, so this is actually looking good. The video also
10 error analyzing focus.
Also covers manual clipping methods using tools like CapCut and provides a detailed payout structure for earnings. The creator emphasizes learning to code while earning. Shares resources like a Dropbox folder with raw video content for users to practice clipping. Introduction to AI video clip agent. Payout structure. Okay. So let's say this. Okay, let's just update this prompt here because I got a good idea here, dude. So you are Moondev's AI analysis AI. You're tasked to analyze the following video transcript and provide 1. Sections or topics of the video and not timestamps, because you are unaware of the video length, but percentage based, but send back percentage based on the video length and the topics. So, for example, part 1, this is first 10%. How would we do this, dude? Oh, that's what I should do. That's what I should do. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Tell me. Give me a 3-sentence overview of exactly what the transcript provided and what happened in the video. Only return that. Okay, and then let's update this. So prior to sending to the AI, we want to make the decision on based on like the 300 to 1200 min clip versus max clip. If there's a way to get the full length of the video first and then do the random clipping. So essentially, if the video is 4 hours long, we can see that 5 minutes and 20 minutes is the random amount of size we want of the clip. But if we know the full time, then we know the percentage that falls on. So if I know it's right now it's between minimum clip and maximum clip duration of 300 to 1200. Well, if we know the full length of the video, then we can figure out what percentage of the video that constant falls in, because it is random. And once it does figure that out, then we can see, okay, well, we got the full transcript here and we know the video is 4 hours long. So, and then we know that the random constant fell on like 6% of the video. So we'll take 6% of that transcript and send it to the AI. And now the transcript prompt shows, hey, give us the overview of the video. It's just a section of the video, but now we'll be able to have the actual overview for each section of the video. You see what I'm saying? So I guess first off, let me know if you can even get the time of the video, because this is all dependent on the time. If you can get the time of the video, I think you can execute everything I just said. This way we'll only be asking the AI for pieces at a time, because at the end of the day, we want to make this long video into a bunch of short videos, but the AI has to tell us what happened in that short video. I understand. Get the full video duration first. When generating random clips duration, calculate what percentage of the full video they represent. Use that same percentage to extract the corresponding portion of the transcript. Send just that portion to the AI for analysis. Yes, we can get the video duration using the YouTube API. I don't know about this, dude. I don't want to use a Google client. Reject. Is the only way using the YouTube API to get the full video length, or is there a different way? Can we use the transcript API or anything to get the video length, or is there a different approach to this? I don't really want to use the YouTube API as it's very hard to work with. Yo, I just subbed for the channel. Thank you, bro. I think you're informative and that I can learn a lot from you. Thank you, dude. Yes, there are a few ways we can use YouTube DLP, a better maintained fork of YouTube download, which doesn't require an API key. You can get the video metadata, including duration. Nice, dude. Nice, bro. Nice. Let me modify the code to use it. Okay. Good job, buddy. Set YouTube to true. Okay. We got a pip install. YouTube DLP. New terminal here. Pip install YouTube DLP. Okay, sick. Why is you still tripping, B? Come on. There we go. So DeepSeek, it's using DeepSeek. It's processing the YouTube video right now. Processing on. It's getting the transcript. Okay. So time range, analyzing transcript with AI. Analyzing with AI. Let's see what's going on here. Why is it taking so damn long, cousin? Download transcript. Create clips of random lengths. Analyze each clip's transcript segment. Add some prints here, bro. Add some prints here, bro, so we can see what's happening. Also, what's it downloading here? This is great. Thanks for teaching. My pleasure, dude. Much love to you. Thank you for coming through, bro. 777, dude. I see the issue. We need more debug prints. And we're downloading the video multiple times unnecessarily. Let me fix this and add more prints to help us debug.
We must keep moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run.
Run.
If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But by all means, keep moving.
On. Downloading web page. Downloading. Let's update it. Let's just update it. It's legal for me to download YouTube videos that are mine, right? And allow other people to download my videos. I just want to check on that. And if it's all good, please go ahead and have the video be downloaded immediately. and save to our video folder. Maybe call it a video folder called raw YouTube. And this will only be, all this will be only be for when the process YouTube is true. But let's have the video just be downloaded one time. And then we make the decisions on how to split it. And once we make the decisions on how to split it, prior to splitting, we can run the AI to get the transcript for each part. And then we could go ahead and split, and we'll have the transcript for each part. And each video will have that transcript.
010 error analyzing focus.
Okay, it is completely legal, which is good, which you've explicitly done in your program documentation. Nice, dude. So you guys can use my videos. I just don't know like if you can use other people's videos. So I've had a couple people reach out to me. Do you need the OpenAI GPT for this? Nah, this is DeepSeek, bro. Okay, so now it says, I added a raw YouTube directory to store the YouTube videos. Nice. Downloads the raw YouTube folder, 777 fam. Checks if video already exists before downloading, returns the path, reorganize the processing flow into clear steps. Download raw video to YouTube only once, get duration, video duration, get full transcript, calculate clip boundaries. For each clip, get transcript segment, analyze with AI, create video clip. Save analysis next to the clip with name, but .txt extension. Removed the cleanup of the download video since you want to keep it in the raw YouTube folder. Added more descriptive prints and progress indicators. The main benefits of the approach: videos are downloaded once and kept. Each clip has its analysis saved next to it with matching file name. Better organization. This actually sounds great. Thanks for doing that, dude. So you can see it's doing some stuff here. It's downloading the video and it's going to put it in the raw YouTube. There ain't no way that it made the video that quick, but let's see what it looks like here, dude. I wonder what type of raw YouTube here. AI agents can make for AI agents. Let's say reveal in Finder here, dude. Why is this so small is my question. Oh, because of the tiny size. That ain't gonna work, bro. Ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work, dude. That ain't gonna work. So right now it doesn't download the full video HD. Is there any way to download the HD version? I need the full size. Also, I'm stuck here on analyzing transcript with the AI. No, I think the DeepSeek's down. I think DeepSeek is down right now because you can see my focus agent has failed the last 2 times. Let's see if we can get through the full size thing first, because otherwise, like, I might change this up a little bit. Get the highest quality video. Let me update that. Okay, let's see if that can. Let's get through that first, because that getting the highest quality video is imperative. It's imperative. I'm not doing this with low quality videos. I'm not letting y'all do it with low quality videos, dude. I'm not letting nobody do this with low quality videos. Fuck that. 777. Much love to you, dude. I hope you get everything. Everything you ever wanted in this lifetime. Everything you ever wanted in this lifetime, because this is your only one life, and you could die tomorrow. I could die today. 777. We might as well step on the motherfucking gas right now, dude. Why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? We gotta step on the gas. It's the only time. We gotta keep going. We gotta keep pushing. We got this, bro. What is you doing? Video duration. Transcript downloaded successfully. I'm doing great, bro. How you doing? Video processing. It never downloaded the video, dude. Oh, maybe because I got it in there already. I probably already got it in there. That's why. Let's delete it. Okay, delete. There we go. Downloading. Here we go. Downloading thumbnail. Okay, there we go. 606 is still not very big, bro. Not it. That's not it. Try adding fallbacks to agents, so if one fails. It's a good idea. To be honest, it seems like it's still not the highest quality. Is there any way to get the absolute highest quality, or is there like a cap to YouTube quality? I'm working on the video stuff, bruh. Let me modify the downloads and ensure, yeah, because we're still not getting the highest quality, bro. The fuck is that? Oh, you could download the thumbnail too. Sick, dude. That's sick, bro. I made significant improvements to get the absolute highest quality. Video only, highest quality. Okay, sort by streams. Okay. The absolute highest quality, dude. We need to always have the absolute highest quality. We ain't doing nothing different, dude. I need that 1080, dude. I need that 1080, bro. I need that 1080, dude. I need that 1080p, big dog. I need that 1080p, bro. What up?
You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very simple. This is what I believe, and I'm willing to die for it. Yeah. Period.
Okay, added bitrate. Okay. Nice, dude. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, downloading 1080p 60. Nice, dude. Bug. I wonder if Grok's got DeepSeek regular yet. I know they got the R1. Speed factor 189x. Wow, dude. We got a vision model here too. DeepSeek R1, R1, R1. I could just use DeepSeek through here, dude. What's the difference between these? 4 to 32 token. 70B. Input token prices. 75 cents. Okay, I'm just gonna use R1 for this then. We're DeepSeekies now. DeepSeekies, baby. We DeepSeekies. Here we go. It's gonna take a minute at a time though. So if that's gonna take a minute, I'll be right back. All right, so I get so many people coming to my channel and saying, "Hey, Moondev, can I run your bots and make $1 million? Can I make a bunch of money off this overnight?" And the answer is always no. So algo trading is automating your trading strategy. Now, if you're a trader, you know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at $0 or close to zero, I actually do not recommend algo trading. I do recommend you learn how to code because I believe code is the great equalizer. And if you learn how to code, you will be able to build anything for the rest of your life. Now, I understand that you might be thinking this is a way to get rich quick. It's just not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard and you have to build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I believe code's a great equalizer. And if it gets you motivated to code, then dude, I've done my job. You've learned how to code. Okay, so how do you actually make money with coding if you can't just make money out of thin air with algo trading? Again, if you have cash that you have and you're trading it successfully or even unsuccessfully, that's a different story. You can automate your trading and you can earn a yield if you find an edge. But if you have no money, how do you make that first $100 or the first $500 or first $1,000 or whatever, dude? Go to the Clips channel. The Clips channel in my Discord. Go to the moondev.com in order to get in the Discord. Go to the Clips channel because you can see here I have so many great videos on my YouTube channel. And there's so many pieces of gold that I literally want to watch. If you clip them into short, concise videos and upload them to YouTube, you literally can make passive income. Here's the earning structure for you. You literally just take any of my videos and you go and you clip them up. You go ahead and use CapCut if you'd like, or you can use this AI agent that clips them for you. You can look more into the Clips channel here on the Discord and see the full walkthrough, including a training video here. But essentially, long story short, is I have super long videos and there's gold in those long videos. Your opportunity here is to build a whole business based off of my videos. Essentially, you take the long videos and you make short videos. You can use CapCut here as I show you, or you can use the AI agent. Go read through this post. You can see you get paid $69 per 10,000 views. And if you get 30,000 views in a month, that gets up to $89. If you get 50,000 in a month, that gets up to $100. So you get $500 for 50,000 views, and you literally don't have to make videos, which is awesome. So this is just for the people that need to build up their cash before they can actually trade, or you just want to learn how to code while watching my videos. I think this is the best thing for those that do need help actually making money, because again, I don't want to suggest to go spend your last $200-300 on algo trading, because it's just not the game for small size investments essentially. So here's a good way. You can have all of my YouTube videos. You can go to my YouTube channel, download those if you'd
Talent
like,
you have
but I
naturally.
also put them in the
Skill
Dropbox.
is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
So I'll put them in the Dropbox, videos for clippers. You can just download these videos and then clip them up. Again, I show a full training here, and I actually will add another training here. But this is what you're interested in, how much you get paid per videos. You literally post these videos, and you can see some examples here of other people doing this, and they're doing a great job. They're making better videos than I have, because my videos are too long, and I get that. But I'm not here making videos. I'm here working on my algos. So I need somebody else to do this. And this is just a great opportunity for you if you are in that situation where you have time and you want to learn how to code. If you want to learn how to code, then there's no risk to this, because you literally are only you're gonna watch my videos and learn how to code and then clip them up to make them shorter. So you'll watch them again essentially. And yeah, I look forward to it. Just head on over to the Discord and the Clips channel to learn more. There's a couple training videos. Just read through this whole post here. I'll update it frequently. And yes, long story short is, if you're trying to make money overnight, dude, algo trading is not for you. But you can make money by clipping these videos and find the good parts and uploading them to your YouTube. And that's pretty much passive income. So enjoy. It's in the Discord. Go learn everything, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, so I get so many people coming to my channel and saying, hey, Moondev, can I run your bots and make $1 million? Can I make a bunch of money off this overnight? And the answer is always no. So algo trading is automating your trading strategy. Now, if you're a trader, you know that you have to have money in order to trade. If you are starting at $0 or close to zero, I actually do not recommend algo trading. I do recommend you learn how to code, because I believe code is the great equalizer. And if you learn how to code, you will be able to build anything for the rest of your life. Now, I understand that you might be thinking this is a way to get rich quick. It's just not. Algorithmic trading is very, very hard, and you have to build your own edge. Now, I show it on YouTube because I pose a great equalizer, and if it gets you motivated to code, then dude, I've done my job. You've learned how to code. Okay, so how do you actually make money with coding if you can't just make money out of thin air with algo trading? Again, if you have cash that you have. Yo, what up, fam? I'm back, and we're still at 68% done, dude. So I'm actually gonna do something else real quick. Let's go ahead and hit add browser here. This would be just playing with some things today, dude. Playing with things. Make that invisible for now. Playing with some things, dude. I'm over here downloading this video. It's 73% done. And I want to make sure it's full HD. Yo, what's up? No API key in this stream? No, not today, dude. Not today. Maybe tomorrow, though. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I forgot. Be honest. I forgot about that. I forgot I did that. I'm a good guy, aren't I? Tech Clash. I'm a good guy. That's a good guy right there if I ever seen one. That's a good guy if I've ever seen one. Yes, dude. Yes.
I'm not negotiating with myself.
Yeah.
The deal was already made. The deal was made when I set out at the beginning of the summer and said, this is the training plan I'm doing. I signed that contract with myself. I'm doing it. You know, throughout that process, you'll start talking to yourself like, man, I think I need to, maybe if we, nope. No, this is non-negotiable, baby.
Non-negotiable. So, yeah, dude, this is fire. This is fire, bro. So let me go ahead and do that Thug Fizzle I was about to do here. I'm actually trying to put this number up on the screen at all times so you guys can see it, bro. I want you to see it all day, all day, all day. Okay, so let's go to analytics here. Yes. Okay, and then see live. Okay. And then put that link up in there. Okay. 1920 times 1080. Okay. Nice. It downloaded the video. Um, how do I do this, dude? I gotta log in here. Okay. Mm. What's up, fam? What's up? What's up, Susie? Susie Q? What's up, girl? I'm doing pretty good as well. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Much love to you. Thanks for the kind vibe. 777. Peace and love back at you. I love that. Make the windows normal so we can see properly. Make what? The fuck are you talking about, bro? Normal? What you mean normal? You can't see this? What do you mean, bro? Say your fucking thing.
010 error analyzing focus.
Say it with your motherfucking chest, bro. Say it with your motherfucking chest. You want to tell Moon Dav to do something, you better say it with your motherfucking chest, boy, and explain yourself. Cause I have no fucking clue what you're talking about. And I don't take that well, dude. I don't listen to nobody, and you shouldn't listen to nobody either, dude. Make your fucking make your fucking thing that you just said to Moon Dav clear, dude. Say it with your motherfucking chest, boy. Shit, coming up here telling me to do something, this or that. You can't even explain yourself. How you expect to get anything done in your life if you can't even explain yourself, son? Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Let's go, bro. It's time. It's time to step on the gas, bro. It's time to finally put your words together in a complete sentence. Make the windows normal so we can see them properly. Dude, they've been the same this whole time. They've been the same. We here. We locked, bro. What's up, B? Seesaw, yo. do you crop this? So filters. It's not doing it correctly. Crop. There's got to be a crop here. How to crop in OBS? Then hold down the Alt key on Windows. Who the fuck uses Windows, dog? There we go. I got it now. All right, dude. All right, I like that addition, dude. I think that's cute. Got a little cutesy with it. I said I wouldn't do it, but I did. All right, I got cutesy with it today, man. I got cutesy with it. It is what it is. DeepSeek's down. Let's go ahead and switch this focus agent then over to this. And you can see here, it's merging. Okay, let's see what it did then. So downloading manifest here. Okay. But now what's it doing? 100%. Okay. Finish clips here. Oh my goodness. It made 2 videos, dude. So let's go ahead and reveal and finder here. Nah, these ain't them. These ain't them either. You can see it made 2 videos here. Could not be open. Merger. I guess it's merging them right now. So it's not even done yet. Downloading. So I might have to approach this a different way because I can put the videos here in the Dropbox. So if you go to the Discord here and you read through this, of course I show you how much you make per 10,000 videos, per 10,000 views, I mean. And if you learn how to code, you might as well do this anyways. You can do it manually through CapCut, or you can use the AI agent that we're building here today in order to help out. This is the earning structure here. All you gotta do is post them to your YouTube video, to your YouTube account, but you can see the Dropbox has all the videos. So this is probably the better way to do it, opposed to just try to download it with Python, because these videos are super high quality here. And you know, we can use DeepSeek in order to download the transcripts here, which is nice. As you can see, I don't know why I just killed that, but it was just taking too long and I don't like the process. So All right, I want to rethink this. I don't want to use the YouTube stuff anymore where we're downloading the videos, but I want to go ahead and still use the YouTube IDs. And essentially what I'm going to do in my raw video folder, you will no longer need the raw YouTube folder because we're scratching that entirely. We're not going to download the videos from YouTube anymore. It takes too long. They're not high quality, and I can just have them downloaded from Dropbox. But essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it from Dropbox, and I'm going to name the video. I'm going to name the video ID. Now, since I'll name the video ID on YouTube, we can go ahead and then download the transcript and the thumbnail and put them in a folder called YouTube transcript thumbnail or whatever. So we'll download those two things, and then we can do the rest of the process. We just won't be doing the downloading part because I'll just put the video in there by itself. And I'll link to a video right now that is named the YouTube ID, and you can test this process. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of these videos here. I'm just gonna download one. Actually, I probably have them in my thing, so I'm gonna delete these because those were trash. Okay, let's go to Clips Agent here. Let's go to videos here. Let's go to finished clips. Let's go to raw clips, raw vids. Raw YouTube, raw videos, finished vids, finished clips. Raw clips. Raw long vids. Let's say raw streams. And then just change that to raw streams here. And then I'm going to download one of my streams. Okay. I already have them on my computer, so I'm not going to actually download them, but this is where you can download them from. You literally have all of my content and can have a YouTube channel based off of my content and get paid for it. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. That's crazy. I've shown you everything, how to code everything, dude. And I'm just giving you more and more because I love you and I believe code is a great equalizer, and whatever it takes, dude. Whatever it takes to get you to step on the gas, bro. Let's get it. Step on the gas with me. Okay, let's put that in there here. Ah, damn, I dragged it. Is somebody out there? Who is that, girl? So I'm dragging it into this folder here. There it is. It's in the folder now. Okay, so you can see it's in the raw streams, and I can say copy path here. Oh, but what I'm going to change the name to be is rename. And then go find that video. So let's go find that video. Yo, 777 fam, good to have you here, bro. Much love, much love. Thank you, thank you. Believe, dude. Just believe. Believe it, believe it, believe it, believe it. Rename here to be that. Okay. So raw streams here. Now we can use the DeepSeek. Okay. Copy path. You can see that it's now called the YouTube ID. So you're going to be able to go ahead and use that YouTube ID in order to download the transcript and the thumbnail and put it in a folder called YouTube materials or something. Okay, dope. And then I'll change all these videos here. Say accept here. All right, now let's run it and see what happens. So transcript, okay. The transcript, okay. Time range 0 to 190. Okay, characters here. Analyzing transcript with AI. Could not download thumbnail. Try and fallback. Fallback thumbnail downloaded and saved. YouTube materials. Raw YouTube. Let's delete that. YouTube materials here. Thumbnail.jpg. Nice. Transcript.jpg. Please update it so it saves the transcript and thumbnail as the
Or 10, error analyzing focus.
YouTube ID and then thumbnail. So YouTube ID underscore transcript, YouTube ID underscore thumbnail. You can also see there looks to be an error with DeepSeek. So let's go ahead and look at our model factory and use the Grok implementation in order to use DeepSeek R1 through Grok. So let's look at our model factory here. You have access to all this code, dude. Every single line of it. It's free. So much love to you. Front end here, models here. Let's go to model factory here. And let's see Grok real quick. I think we have R1 in here. Yeah, DeepSeek R1 here. Update to use this model through Grok. Okay, so we're using DeepSeek R1 now. We've switched to R1 because as you can see, DeepSeek directly doesn't seem to be working. I think that their API is down right now because my focus agent hasn't worked all day actually. And let's see how it implements the Grok through here, and then I'll switch my focus agent to do the same. Well, actually, I can just fix my focus agent to. My focus agent doesn't need anything crazy. Doesn't need R1 probably. But I think it would be helpful to have R1 for this one. Do not change anything in the model factory. Keep that absolutely the same. It already has access to Grok and DeepSeek R1 Distill Llama B that I just posted above. Do everything that I said above without changing anything inside of anywhere besides.
Hey, dickhead, get your mind right. Don't preach to me about my perky habit. This is my life.
This is my life. Yo, GM, dude. What's up? Better Claim Soul. I haven't seen you in a while, bro. How you been? How you been, Better Claim? Haven't seen you since the gaming days. The gaming days. The days back in the day when we used to game. All right, let's see what R1 does with it. It seems a little weird that we have this broken bug here. Fix it without changing the model factory if possible. Ryber. Good morning. Good morning. Bug. Accept here. I want to see if this will work with just a different model here. We use like Mixtral or some of that stuff. Let's go look at our README here of the models. Let's just use, I mean, any of these really. Let's use the llama here. Clips agent. Oh snap. Let's go ahead and say, wait, reject. Say accept first. Let's see if it works, and then I'll do it. Analyzing transcript with AI. Perfect, dude. Okay, so this is thinking part. Think. The video discusses a method for creating short monetizable clips from long videos using an agent, allowing creators to earn money through views. Viewers can join a clips channel to make and upload these clips. So let's go here and say inside of data models here, data. Let's go to videos, raw stream, YouTube materials here, transcript, thumbnail. Okay. And then here, raw streams, creating video clip. So save one more thing here into the section of the YouTube materials, and that should be the response of the AI. Honestly, I don't know if I want to use, here's clip one here. Delete. I don't know if I want to use DeepSeek anymore. So yeah, we're halfway. I know we're halfway through the DeepSeek, but I'm gonna try it with the AI. In a file with the same naming with the ID AI overview. So let's update that first. So I'm using DeepSeek R1 at the moment. What happened with DeepSeek? Nothing. Which one do you prefer? Chilling. Just all of them. I love them all. I love them all. I love them all. Peace and love. Which do I prefer? I prefer peace and love. So let's see what this clip says first off. I see that you're saving the clip.txt, the full transcript. I don't need that inside of the finished clips folder, by the way. And also, I noticed here, this is going to be just for R1, but we only want to save what's after the think. We don't need the stuff before the think. So here's how the AI wants this. It is only going to be for R1. The other ones aren't going to have a think like this. So just if you see R1 being used, then we'll use this below where we split up the between after the think is their actual response. Response. Remove the clip analysis text files from the finished clips folder. Yes. For DeepSeek R1 responses, extract only the content after the think tag. Let's say accept here. And then let's delete all of these. Let's also update the transcript prompts to make sure that they send back the overview as more of an intro. I want the AI to imagine itself as an introduction person to somebody coming on stage to teach the following topic. So I want the AI to respond in a way that gives a short 2 to 3 sentence concise overview that is teasing, getting them very excited to watch the upcoming presentation, which will be a video. But if you can imagine, this is somebody who comes up on stage like the host that is hyping somebody up in order to get the whole crowd super excited and give them a little teaser of what's about to be in the video. But this is what the AI should send back.
010 error analyzing focus.
Okay, big dog. Teaser style introductions here. Perfect. Accept here.
Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life.
Keep it 2 to 3 seconds. Punchy sentences using engaged dynamic. Tease the value benefits. Make it sound natural. Example, get ready for the... Yeah, okay, there we go. That's what I want, dude. I want these to be intros. Okay. Let's go ahead and run it and see how this does now. Actually, I want to wait. I want to delete everything. Delete it all. Burn it all down, bro. Burn it all down. Finish clips? No way. Finish vids? No way. Raw streams? Yes. Okay. Raw vids? Okay. That's fine for now. Temp? That's fine. YouTube materials here. Let's delete these. I want 100, bro. Damn, dude. Error. Messaging request too large for the model. DeepSeek, bro. Come on, cousin. I think I got to churn on DeepSeek, bro. So yeah, I know this was about DeepSeek, dude, but this is the problem with DeepSeek is the size, the model size is too small. Like the being able to the input, yeah, like how much you can input into it. So yeah, it'd be like that sometimes, dude. But I'm gonna pivot. I'm gonna pivot to something else. I like DeepSeek for its uses, but you've seen it's kind of shit the bed today. It is not working through the API right now, so I had to move to Grok. And these are just things that happen when there's so much demand for something. You know, it's so cheap. Everybody wants to use it. I don't know if it's sustainable. We'll see. We'll see. But that's your DeepSeek portion of this. Like, because I know the title says we're going to be using DeepSeek to run it up. So I'm making a pivot now because I have to, and you see why. Okay, sick. So let's go back to README here and figure out what's a better model to use for this, dude. I could use O3 Mini. That would be fun. But do I need that? I could probably just use Claude Haiku. But I could get a better deal on this. What is the Haiku cost? Haiku pricing or Anthropic pricing here. Why don't I use a local LLM? Why would I use a local LLM? Tell me that. If one of you smart guys could tell me like why I would use a local LLM, I would. But I don't know, dude. I just don't know why I would like go through the process. Well, actually, no, that's a good point. Thank you. Thank you, Christopher. That's a good point. For this, for simple stuff, I could use a local LLM. But which one would you use, Christopher? So input here on 80 cents MTalk. So that's actually pretty good. And I don't have any limits or anything with Claude. So I think I'm going to use Claude for now. Okay, that's a good option. Claude Haiku. 80 cents is nothing for this. Okay, so I could use Claude Haiku. This one, 20 Mixtro is cheaper, but do I really care? 8K contacts, 128K contacts, 70 cents here, 10 cents, 128K. Maybe I'll try this instant here. Because this 10 cents, damn near local. That's my whole thing, Christopher, is like, this is so cheap. And if we could get a local model set up with ease, with no like fiddling around, I would be down for it. But what model runs on your computer? I have a MacBook and I do have power on this MacBook. Right now I'm using DeepSeek R17B. It's pretty good. You just need Ollama, but how are you running it? Like what type of computer you got to run it on? R17B? And how much space do you need on your computer? I think that's what I'm worried about. Is like, is it slow down your computer at all? Or how much space do you need? DeepSeek R1B is, I have access to it here. 7B? You're using 7B and they're using 70B. So you're using a smaller version of it. I guess that's my question, dude. Is like, is it really worth it?
En raras ocasiones aparece algo tan magistral que te deja asombrado, tan inspirador.
Ever since DeepSeek came out with their open source large language model, people have been talking about running LLMs locally, which of course begs the question, how exactly do you run a large language model like DeepSeek or Llama or Cloud locally? And for that matter, what kind of hardware do you need on your laptop or on your desktop in order to run it? Well, that's why I put this tutorial together. I want to show you exactly what you have to do in order to run a large language model like DeepSeek on your local machine. And the fact is, it's incredibly easy. I'll get you up and running in less than 5 minutes. And as far as the hardware requirements go, I'm going to be running this tutorial on a 7-year-old 9th generation Intel machine with no video card at all. So you don't have to go out and buy a $2,500 NVIDIA 4090 video card. I don't even have a video card computer of mine. And as far as the software goes, it's open source, it's free. We're going to use Llama here. All you have to do is download, install it, get the name of the large language model from Hugging Face, and boom, you're going to be up and running. And downloading and installing that software, running this DeepSeek model, that is exactly what we're going to do next. There's a number of different ways that you can run an LLM. I've actually got a tutorial Python code and run it inside of an application. I really like
Download Ollama. All right, we're gonna get DeepSeek running locally, bro, because this focus agent's broken.
Modular's Max platform for running LLMs, but by far the most popular, most common way to run an LLM is to use Ollama. Just type in download Ollama in Google, or just go to ollama.com/download if you don't want to get phished. And you just select your operating system. I'm on Windows. Click that beautiful download button, and in just a
Thank
minute,
you,
well,
Christopher.
It's going to take more than a minute because this is a huge file. It's 763,000 kilobytes. That's a lot. But it'll download. Give it a minute or two, and once it's downloaded, just double click on it and kick off the installation. The installation couldn't be easier. Just click install. I'd say accept all the defaults, but there's no other questions that you get asked. Just let this massive file get extracted and installed on your local operating system, and boom, all of a sudden it then says, hey, Ollama is running, and you're set to go and run your large language model. Now, what large language model are you going to run? Well, there's actually a place called Hugging Face, and it's a repository of all of the open source large language models. You can find Llama here, you can find Claude, you can find DeepSeek. I'd recommend going over here and seeing if you can find the version of DeepSeek that you want. There's a bunch of different distributions, a bunch of different versions, and the different versions have a different number of tensors configurations associated with them. I'm going to use DeepSeek R1 here, and you can see it's got 685 billion parameters. I would have liked 700 billion, but okay, I will accept this. I'm going to copy that name. You'll notice it's DeepSeek-AI/DeepSeek-R1. We're only going to need DeepSeek-R1, but if you click that copy button, you get all of it. But take that, now open up a brand new terminal window and type in Ollama run and DeepSeek R1. You don't need the preamble, just DeepSeek. By the way, when I pronounce those words, I pronounce the D, the S, and the R as uppercase letters, so be careful, it's an uppercase number 1 as well. And just click that, and boom, all of a sudden it will start downloading, which is going to take a while, but be a little bit patient, and once it's finished downloading, well, it's going to give you a little message that says, hey, why don't you give me a message? So it says send a message there, and then all you have to do is type in a question, put in a prompt. I'm going to say, tell me the capital of Canada, and make it a short response. And then the large language model starts thinking about it. It's kind of funny the way that DeepSeek works. It starts showing you its thought process. A lot of people kind of get, I don't know, they get swayed into the fact that it's actually thinking, it's actually doing logic and processing here. Don't get fooled by the fact that it's just an LLM behind the scenes, no different from any of the others other than the way it was trained. But it comes in, says some weird stuff, talks about the Audible
Every
National
great journey begins
Capsulio,
with a single step.
Gemini 4
Let's
lander.
channel that
I'm not
energy
sure what
into
that has to do with
productive
figuring out
coding
what
or
the capital
trading.
of Canada is. It's narrowed it down to Ottawa, Toronto, and Montreal. Toronto's the capital of Ontario. I think Quebec City is the capital of Quebec, but Montreal's a beautiful city. You really should visit it. But finally, after it's done thinking, it then
Cause you
spits
only
out
get one ticket, might as well enjoy the ride and just do what the fuck you wanna do.
Found the name of the LLM that we wanted to run, and then did the quick Ollama run DeepSeek R1, and within just a couple of minutes, we are now sending prompts to our locally installed DeepSeek LLM. It's just that easy to do. Who in the right mind would...
That was actually fire. I use Grok. So 7B, DeepSeek's first generation model. Which one did I just install is the question. Code me. And it's pretty fire, bro. Thank you. This is why I fuck with you guys so heavy, dude. Cause you just changed my life. over and over and over again. Run terminal Ollama list, dude. Fuck, bro. Local Ollama. Install here. Google download Ollama to install. Local LLMs like DeepSeek R1 7B. Okay. Okay, this is sick, dude. So how do I get out of here? Run Ollama list. Nah, that ain't it. Command plus D. Command plus D. I don't know what that means. Okay, so let's say Ollama. Oh, that doesn't show the ones they have. 4.7 gigabytes, R1 latest. So R1 latest, what does that even mean though? Which one is that? GitHub. Okay, so we got R1 local now. Fine. So thank you, dude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. As you can see, I have implemented Ollama. I've implemented DeepSeek R1 through Ollama. You can see the above. Please show me how to update my model factory and add in any new model page Python file you'll probably need if you look at the models folder in order to get this now working, this Clips agent working with our local Ollama integration, because now I have full access to R1 locally. And then I'd also want to implement it into some other files as well. So don't break anything in the model factory or the models folder. Just in addition to, now we have Ollama underscore model.py that you can make a new file, because you can see we have a file for each one of our different ways to get to the AI. There's a bunch of different models and stuff. So since Ollama is low-key a new model, you can see I've added it to my README inside of the models folder as well. So I'll connect the models folder right now so you can see it. I'll help you create an Ollama model file to integrate with your local Ollama installation, following the same pattern as your other model files. Now let's update the Clips agent to use the Ollama model, Ollama DeepSeek R1. Finally, let's update the analyze transcript method to handle Ollama responses correctly. Update the README inside of the models as well to show how to work with Ollama as well. Add in these other models that work through Ollama as well. Right now we have DeepSeek, but there's some more below that I want you to add into so we could test those. So let's get what are the best models here, dude? Llama 3, V 3.2. How much does this need? Updated 2 months ago. Performance compared to Llama 3.1 40B. Params, template, meta 405B. Hugging Face Ollama models. Yeah, I don't know about that. I'm just going to use R1 for now because don't change anything else in my README except the Ollama section. You changed a bunch of stuff. We don't want you to change any of that. Just focus on the Ollama section. You also don't need to mention the other models. Just focus on DeepSeek R1 through Ollama. Yo, what's up, dude? I'm doing great, man. How you doing? From NYC? Yeah. Capital of the world. The world's capital. Just gonna reject that. All right, try it again and don't touch anything besides the Ollama stuff.
It's been real. Don't get involved if you ain't gonna die for it. Take this. I bought some hollow tips for your homeboy.
Worth and long. So, okay, here's the Ollama part. Perfect, perfect. Free to use, no API cost. Okay, so now let's look at the Ollama model real quick. Okay, Model factory. I noticed our model factory was not updated at all, but I would think that we would have to update it in order to work because our model factory kind of controls everything. But we don't have any mention of Ollama there. All right, dude, if you want to actually make money with Cody, dude, use this
1.0
agent.
10th. Let's channel that curiosity into coding or trading. That's where the magic happens.
Let's build this agent, dude. Let's build this agent out. Okay, model factory. I noticed our okay. That's back. Okay, let's build this out, dude. So DeepSeek's back, but anyways, we went ahead and walk, bro. That's hella funny. Except here. DeepSeek Ollama, DeepSeek Ollama. Okay, R1, perfect. All right, now let's go try the other thing. But yeah, just use this AI agent, dude. If you want to actually make money coding, bro, here's the easiest way. Launch an agent that essentially clips up streams. They could be my streams. I probably pay the best. Here you can see this is the payment schedule. Go to the Clips channel. Dude, only developers are going to be able to do this. I mean, you could actually do this by hand as well if you want to just learn how to code while you do it. But check out the Clips channel inside the Discord. It will tell you everything. You could make a bunch of cash. Okay, sick. Let's go ahead here and now let's try to run the Clips by here with the new thing. So the Clips agent here, and we're gonna run it here and DeepSeek R1 through Ollama. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now we're trying to run the agent and we're running into this error. Please go ahead and fix it. What am I building, dude? I'm building an AI agent that will go through and clip all of my streams so you could just have clips of my streams, dude, and then you could upload them to YouTube. And if you upload them to YouTube, you get paid. So an actual way that you could make money, because algo traded, you're not going to make money from zero, dude. I'm sorry. And I get so many people saying, Boo Dev, please teach me how to actually make money with coding. I'm at zero, dude. I need to run it up. Okay. If you're at zero, you have nothing to trade, bro. So what you doing over here watching me build trading algos? So I'm just trying to open this up so everybody could do some things with coding, because I believe code is a great equalizer, and I've always believed that. I just show you how to algo trade because that's what I do. That's what I do, dude. So I want to open this up a bit, show you everything, show you every way, so we have a way for people to step on the gas, even if you don't want to trade, bro, because trading is very difficult and dangerous. Here's the new bug here. So yeah, check out the Clips channel in the Discord. You'll understand everything. Go to moondev.com to get the Discord. The issues of the Ollama model class is missing 2 required abstract methods. Class initialized model type. Okay. I love AI, dude. Just play with this AI all day. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I'm addicted. I love this game. I love you, actually. So much love to you, bro. Much love. Looks like we're still having a little bit of an error. Remember, these Ollama ones don't need an API key, so I don't know how you'll handle that, but... But what, nigga? But what?
Hi, everyone.
Hi. Ah, I see the issue. The base model requires an API key, but Ollama doesn't need one. Let's modify Ollama class to handle this special case by passing a dummy API key. Dummy. Hey, dummy. There we go. Olama DeepSeek R1 is initialized. Beautiful, dude. Transcript already exists. Let's. Okay, that's fine. Look at that. We're locally running now, dude. That's fucking fire, bro. Let's see what happened. Data dog. Videos. YouTube materials. What the fuck? AI overview. What is all this? AI analysis to build a system and a transcript. Okay. What is the prompt, bro? Because it seems funky to me. It's a funky prompt, bro. Okay, let's go back to the Clips agent and see what the Clips agent is. Only send back the introduction, nothing else. I got a weird response from the AI for the first video. So can you please have it print out the transcript it's sending in full? And also the response that it sends back. Not the thinking part, but the actual response. See where it's going wrong here, dude. Cheer. Cheer. Someone was talking to me. I missed a bit. Did you say you're running LLM locally? I am. Yeah, we pivoted, bro. We pivoted quick. We're running through Olama now. It's local. Fire, huh? It's fire how quick we are around here, huh? Huh.
Don't run with the pack. If everyone is trying to solve the same problem, or a whole group of people, if that's the latest and greatest thing to do, don't do that. Do something original. Don't follow the pack.
Gonna make my computer blow up. I could hear her purr. She purred over here, dude. She purred. Let's close this CapCut. I don't know why you're open. Okay, let's go ahead and see this though. Input transcripts. Think here. It's just a weird response and it doesn't seem like it's getting the thing. Okay, so I just read through this message someone wrote, but they're red flags for sure. Huh. Hmm. This looks more like my transcript. So it's weird, dude, because you can see this is the response, which is super weird because we asked it to just send back 2 to 3 sentences. Nothing else. Okay, let's say that. Okay, now let's try it. Yeah, this is it. This is the transcript. Still sends back a full-on prompt or a full-on thing, which is super weird. I just wanted to set back the 2 to 3 sentences. Are we setting in the full transcript or just the portion of the transcript? Can you double check that?
1.010. Stay focused on your coding or trading goals. Every minute counts towards your success.
It's fire. We're using local LLM now. That's fire. There we go. Okay, there we go. Get ready to transform your YouTube content into high demand clips while earning passive income. Learn how to distill long videos into shorter, engaging clips that capture attention and drive views. Discover a method that allows you to learn coding and monetize your content simultaneously. Start now and see how even 4 hours our videos can impact. Okay, let's go ahead and say perfect. Now it looks good. So we're going to go ahead and save that actual output, not the thinking part. And then what I want to do is I want you to take a look at my focus agent to see how I can pass in a name of the voice agent. You can see that the focus agent uses the OpenAI voice, and we'll use the same thing. In order to create a voice to the saying. So the saying that DeepSeek sends back will then have a voice say it. And you could use the focus agent to see how we use the OpenAI voice stuff. And then it will save that voice in the same folder of the resources with the YouTube video ID and underscore intro.mp3 or whatever it might come out to be. And then from there, we'll have this intro voice and we'll have the clip of the video, and we'll have the first part of the video just be the intro voice. So if there's a way that you could like essentially take the longer clip part of the video and take the first part of it in order to cut it and match it with the length of the voice, that would be awesome. And just mute the clip and then put the voice over it. So we have these clips that could be like 5 minutes long, and now we have this voice that will be about 30 seconds long. And essentially we want to merge the two, but the thing missing is the video background for this voice. So essentially you can just take the first part of the clip and mute it and make the actual voice on top of it. If you could do all that, that'd be awesome. Oh God. Why don't you link agents together? I do, bro. Why don't you? Read through this, make sure we're on the same page. Added setup voice, one added voice setup. Okay, perfect. Added setup voice method to initialize OpenAI. Perfect. Added generate voice. Okay, added merge voice with clip method. Take the first part of the video matching the voice duration, mute that portion, add the voice over it, combine the rest of the video, save the final result. Updated to the main processing loop, create a temporary clip first, generate voice from the AI analysis, merge the voice with the clip, clean up the temporary files. The process now works like this. AI analyzes the transcript segment, generates a voice intro for the analysis, creates a temporary video clip.
Hey, dickhead,
it's from my right.
Don't preach to me about my perky habit.
This is my life. Merges the voice intro into the video. First part of the video is muted and used as background for voice. Rest of the video plays normally. Saves the final video with voice intro. Make sure to add MoviePy to your requirements.txt. Why do we need MoviePy for? Oh, okay. Fucking MoviePy. We're gonna use MoviePy. Let's do it. Let's do it, dude. All right, so this agent should now create unique videos. That's pretty fire, bro. AI clip content. Okay, input transcription here. You can see it totally butchered this. It had it before. I think you changed something that made the output different. But before, when you sent in the thing, it sent back the message perfectly. Now it's trying to code some stuff. So super weird. What other models can we use locally? Best local O llama model for quick tasks. Queen 2.5B. Let's try Gemma 29B. Um, all right, here we go. Get ready to unlock the secret of profitable coding with Moondev. Haha. Okay, voice intro saved. Nice. This is crazy, dude. You can actually make money with coding now, dude, without making videos. Will you upload this? Maybe, yeah, probably. Maybe, probably, most likely, yes. Maybe, probably, most likely, yes. What I don't understand is, where is DeepSeek regular? DeepSeek V3. Because I don't want to use Arwa's bitch ass. Dude, it's too smart. Let's see what the voice sounds like here. Videos, temp voice, okay.
Get ready to unlock the secret of profitable coding with Moondev. Discover how to transform lengthy videos into bite-sized gold using this cutting-edge system. Learn how to create short, impactful clips that attract massive views and secure income. Don't miss out on this game-changing strategy that's already helping creators generate passive income while mastering their craft. Your next big break could be just around the corner.
I like that. You don't have to record them, dude. I'll upload them. I'll upload them. So now it's gonna go ahead and do this Thug Dizzle. So that's fire. It's gonna create the actual videos, put them together. So I want to see what the final video looks like, because these AI agents are literally able to create videos based off of my videos. So I understand you don't want to make videos, dude. I get it. But you could just leverage what I'm doing, because I'm making the videos and I am trying to help as many people in this world learn how to code. So you might as well just run it up based off of what I've already done. I have so many videos here, dude. And I'm putting them all in the Dropbox so you could run it up as an average dev or even a brand new dev. I put it all in the Dropbox so you could run it up. I put all of the code here on the GitHub. You get there from the roadmap. The roadmap is literally my brain. You get my brain for free, dude. Go to AI agents, get the GitHub, dude. Once you get the GitHub, you get all of this code. Hit the star in order to save it all. Hit the star, hit the fork in order to copy all the code, dude. Over here in the source file, you could see the agents here. The Clips agent is what I'm building today. Agents that could literally make you cash. That's crazy, dude. That's crazy. You could read all about it here in the Discord, and you get all of the code here. So I'm just waiting for this to be done, and I'm gonna take a whiz in that time being.
Bill, baby, Bill, organized night. Yes, our slogan must be learn, baby, learn, so that we can earn, baby, earn.
One 10th. Let's channel that curiosity into something productive. What coding challenge or trading strategy are you working on today?
All right, so it looks like it moved on to the second one. So let's go check it out, dude. Let's say finish vids, finish clips here. So let's go watch the video, bro. Reveal and finder. So let's see.
Get ready to unlock the secret of profitable coding with MoonDev. Discover how to transform lengthy videos into bite-sized gold using this cutting-edge system. Learn how to create short, impactful clips that attract massive views and secure income. Don't miss out on this game-changing strategy that's already helping creators generate passive income while mastering their craft. Your next big break could be just around the corner.
Let's change this one to video agent from... Dude, this is fucking dirty, bro. This is fucking dirty, dude. Look at this. I just gave you an AI agent that runs locally. Oh my God, dude. And it literally takes my videos and turns them into 20 videos, makes an intro for them. Fuck, dude. I just gave you the sauce today.